What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And if you haven't, check out my full in-depth 4K review of the Team Gold Nike Dunk Low. So you know what happens after I review them? I gotta show you how to style them. Hit the beat. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. I know you looking at gold and white and you like, it's an easy match. But it's not really gold, guys. It's more of that sandy, desert camo look. But it does have some gold hits, so I gave y'all like best of both worlds, some sandy looks, some gold hits. Let's start with the Mitchell & Ness Yankees Classic Throwback Championship shirt. Now, Mitchell & Ness make a lot of teams in this color, so you ain't got to be biased. You know I'm from New York, so I went Yankees. But this colorway right here is the perfect match to those Nike Dunk Team Gold joints. For some reason, I wanted to say championship. But yeah, it's the Yankees World Series Championship 1996. I happened to be able to witness this myself as a kid, so this shirt right here is near and dear to me. But Mitchell & Ness make a lot of shirts in this colorway, probably your home team. Retail price $38. I think I got this from PacSun, so it might be a stealing deal. They always got sales. But yeah, let's start with this. And as I before mentioned, Mitchell & Ness, they have a whole bunch of shirts this color. This happens to be another favorite of mine. It's a Laker tee. But it got some like Murakami looking colorful flowers around it, so it kind of really helps you get the outfit popping and brings more than just Team Gold and White out in the sneaker. But yeah, same thing, Mitchell & Ness, PacSun, same price, $38. I'm telling you, it matches the sneaker perfect. It's more of a sand than a gold. And speaking of sand and gold, makes you think of McDonald's. I don't know how, but sand and gold. I just came to McDonald's. But this is the Travis Scott McDonald's sesame seed hoodie. And you can see the words in the back is a perfect match to the Team Gold Nike Dunk joints. That's the back. The front also has the apple pie in that same material, same color. Cactus Jack logo there. McDonald logo there. But the back, man, makes it a perfect match. I don't know how much resale is. I know retail was like $140. Gotta check StockX, but the McDonald Travis collab ain't go that hard with the resale prices. So hopefully you get it for a good deal. Yeah, I know this is my guy, man. This is the Kobe Bryant Hall of Fame. I think it's reversible. Oh, the reversible one is purple. I got that over there. But yeah, the Hall of Fame Kobe Bryant after his death throwback jersey, Mitchell & Ness, right? Yeah, Hardwood Classic. Pretty price, man. This jersey cost $400 retail. I think it dropped to like $349 or something. But man, you can't even put a price tag on this. But again, it's in gold because it's for Kobe's Hall of Fame joint. And like I told you, that Team Gold Dunk, not really that shiny, shimmery gold, more of a dull gold, and it matches this jersey perfect because of the dull goldness. Yeah, man, R.I.P. Kobe. But an affordable alternative is the 1996-97 throwback Mitchell & Ness Laker shorts. Same colors like the jersey I showed you, way different price. You get these for about $100. Mitchell & Ness gives you 15% just going to the website. But dope match, got the gold, the purple, and it's just like a throw off, give you more colors in the outfit. But you got your gold and you got your white. and it's that good mesh material, man. Very heavy. Next up, I like camo joggers, camo sweats, camo shorts to match the team gold joint. I went with this pair here because it got a little bit of that dark desert look in it, so it matches it a lot better than me than just the regular camo. I like the Bape looking camo better, but these are from Forever 21, man. Under $30, very, very affordable. But I think any camo will match that gold and white perfect because it's a dull gold. And speaking of all kind of camo, the Supreme Desert Camo hat is a perfect match. And you get a red Supreme logo on it, making it just super dope. But I think Forest Camo, the desert look, is like the more perfect for that sneaker. Yes, sir. So that's a how to style on the Nike Dunk Low Team Gold joints. Let me know in the comment section below if you need help securing anything, the size and the pricing. I got you. I could have went a little harder, but I mean, white gold, you just want to blend it and then just get out the way. You don't want to do too much to it, man. Let me know how you're feeling about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.